Hello loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Ash and I'm a makeup artist. I post multiple different makeup looks on my channel every week, and I'm also going to go through step by step in sections as far as eyes, lips, face, brows, everything, so that way you guys have a better understanding of the products that you're using currently, but also the best products for your budget, the best products for, you know, your skin type and everything. So if you're new to my channel and you do want to join the family and stay tuned for future videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're already subscribed to my channel and not new here, then thanks for coming back for another video. In today's video, I want to show you guys 4 different ways to do your lip liner. You can make your lips look bigger, juicier, sexier, whatever, however you like, honey. So if you do want to see the 4 different ways that you can line your lips, then go ahead and keep watching. Alright love, so jumping right in, I was saying there are 4 different ways that you can do your lip liner. So the first one is going to be the pointy lip, the second one is going to be the heart-shaped lip, the third one is going to be full lips, and the fourth one is going to be circular lips. So I'm going to go through and just kind of show you guys how to achieve this and everything. So starting off with the first one, I'm going to use this lip liner by NYX. We're going to start off on the Cupid's bow, which is right here, and we're going to draw an X. So now that we have the X here, we're gonna just follow the outline of your mouth, okay? Alright, so now that the lips are lined, we're going to apply our lipstick, okay? So I like to use matte liquid lipstick. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild liquid catsuit. This is in Goth Topic. So this is the pointy lip. So you see how it kind of goes up into those tips and then comes down.
So my camera died right before this, but basically it's the same method, just instead of an X, you're gonna create a heart.
There's a heart. Okay, so that's the shape that we want as far as the lip liner on the top. So now I'm gonna just go down and line my lips. I'm going to go over that with the Wet n Wild liquid catsuit in Caramel Cake. And this is the heart shape. Alright, moving on to the third shape, which is going to be the full lips. So we're going to outline the entire mouth, just along the outside. So it's going to appear like your lips are larger, okay? Alright, so now that my lips are lined, I'm going to cover them, this time with the Wet n Wild liquid catsuit in Give Me Mocha. So these are the full lips. I love these. For the fourth and final lip liner shape, we're gonna do the circle liner, okay? So I'm gonna go back with my NYX lip liner because I like the formula. So what we're gonna do is get rid of our Cupid's bow. So we're pretty much going to draw like a half moon shape. I have a circle right here. So now we're gonna go in and I'm gonna go back with this caramel cake and I'm gonna just create that circle. My God, that's so freaking cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and conceal the sides of my mouth so that way it makes it a more dramatic circle. Alright loves, so this is the fourth and final shape. I do honestly love this one. This one's kind of one of my favorites. If you did like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know which lip shape was your favorite, whether it was 1, 2, 3, or 4, or you can comment and also say pointy lip, heart-shaped lip, full lip, or circle lip. Do not forget to share this video with your friends and family so that way they can try out these different lip liners as well. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe down below and I'll catch you guys in my next video.